Hi, this property is at 24 Bridle Trail in Naugatuck. The asking price is $399,900. This is a West Side Colonial built in 2000. Very nice area. Right over here is access to the Bridle Trail where you could take a walk or ride your bike and get a little bit of exercise during this time of confinement. The property is 0.83 acres and it's just a lovely area. So you have a paved driveway and there's a 3-car garage right off of that. So you've got a really nice space here. The house is large. It's 3,773 square feet, and it consists of a living room. This is the formal living room with the fireplace. That's a wood-burning fireplace. Recessed lighting, hardwood floor throughout this floor. Your formal dining room. All the window treatments will remain and the chandelier. Double foyer entrance here. Lots of accent areas as well. You step into the living room and you've got it open into that huge kitchen with ample cabinetry. That's Corian countertops and a nice center island there. This could be a den or a first floor master bedroom. You do have a full bath with a stand-up shower. The French door is shut, and then you've got double closets here as well. Again, hardwood throughout this floor. Another half bathroom right off of the family room. There's 3 full baths and 1 half bath. All the appliances are going to remain. You've got a gorgeous breakfast bar area here. Nice deck on the back. There's a small pond there, which we'll be able to see a little better from upstairs as well. The house has hot air oil heat. There is central air as well. This connects you back into the kitchen area. Storage space on either side here. First floor laundry. And then you've got that 3-car garage I was telling you about. Room for all of your toys, and there's a door over on the side so you're able to go out into the backyard from here. My seller would be ready to be out of this house by about the middle of June, and you could come right in and call this yourself. Again, it's 0.8 acres, so that if you're currently locked in and you cannot get outside and you're feeling very confined during this COVID-19, that feeling would go away with this home. This is the master bedroom, which is really large. Double closets on either side, and the master bathroom with a jacuzzi tub, tile floor, double sink, and then a stand-up shower as well. There's really nothing to do in this house but move in and enjoy. Again, the house was built in 2000, so everything is modern and should be in very good condition. Bedroom number 2, there's a walk-in closet, and again, hardwoods throughout. Bedroom number 3. Not a small room in this house. And the 3rd full bath. Now we're going into the area over the 3-car garage. This could be a little office or just a storage area the way they're doing it. And then this would be a bar. This is a great bar area. It has the wet sink. It's ready for you to have your parties up here. And then the family room upstairs has enough space for foosball tables, pinball machines, pool table, anything that you would like. And there's a balcony to give you a lot of nice natural light along with a small pond on the back side. Again, we're at 24 Bridle Trail in Naugatuck. Asking price is $399,900. This house is easy to show. contact your agent and get in right away. Stay safe and have a great day.